Hi, I'm Kirsten Ria, and this is my raw audio sample of my studio. It's going to consist of a normal conversational tone like this one, some whispers, some yells, and then some claps at the end, along with a silent room tone. This is a whisper, and this is kind of a louder whisper, and this is the quietest whisper that I can do. Very ASMR. This is me yelling at someone who's a little far away, and I kind of need to get their attention or get them to stop doing what they're doing. And this is me yelling even louder because I'm really upset right now. And this is me screaming because I am pissed. And now, without further ado, here are some claps. And finally, some room tone.